Cain and Abel were the sons of Adam and Eve. Cain was a farmer, working the soil. Abel was a shepherd, taking care of sheep. One day, both brothers brought offerings to God. Cain brought some of the fruits of the ground. Abel brought the best parts of the firstborn lambs from his flock. God accepted Abel's offering, but did not accept Cain's. We're not told exactly why, but it seems Abel's offering came from a sincere and faithful heart, while Cain's did not. Cain became very angry and jealous. God warned him, "Why are you angry? Sin is crouching at your door. It desires to have you, but you must rule over it." Cain invited Abel to go out into the field, and there he killed his brother. God asked, "Where is your brother Abel?" Cain replied, "I don't know. Am I my brother's keeper?" But God knew what had happened. God told Cain that Abel's blood cried out from the ground. The ground would no longer produce crops for Cain. He would become a restless wanderer on the earth. God sees the heart behind our actions. Jealousy and anger, if not controlled, can lead to terrible consequences. God is just, but also merciful, even when people do wrong.